Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Tozo Adaptive Hybrid Noise Cancelling Headphones. This is the HT2. Now, these were sent to me by Tozo and I have been testing them for about a month, a couple of weeks at least. And they are quite similar in design and style to the Sony headphones, which I also once reviewed on this channel. The cool thing about these is that they come in a lot of different colors. I chose this color, as you can see, but they come in quite a number of very cool looking colors. Now in the box it is fairly simple. As you can see here, you get some instructions, authenticity and how to set it up, and then you get this box here which includes this cable for plugging it into your headphones and into like a airline or into your computer if it has run out of battery or you need to use a wired connection. And you also get a USB cable. This is the A to C, and the cool thing is that all of the cables and the colors match the colors of the headphones that you choose. And I think that's really cool. These definitely are very comfortable and they do cancel noise. They don't cancel quite as much as Sony ones, but they cancel probably like 60 to 80%, somewhere around there, depending how you use them. When you're listening to music, it does tend to work better. It does tend to cancel the sound out better. It also has adjustable here with markings. So I usually set it to about 5 on each side, and I find that that gives me the most comfort. It is actually very comfortable. I found it maybe a little bit more comfortable than the Sony XM4s that I previously used. They also do fold in half, like the Sonys, so you can pack them into a slim pocket in your bag. But unfortunately, they don't have any kind of carry case. So in the box, it's just the headphones, which is a little bit unfortunate. I thought the soft neoprene case that you get with the Bose, for example, was quite nice. But they do feel pretty well made and they feel pretty durable as well. The foam leather padded cushioning is also quite comfortable. As you can see, kind of adjusts to your ear. Unfortunately, they don't have any sensor, so they don't know when you've taken them off. But you do get controls. So this front one is to cycle through the noise cancelling modes. And then you get volume and a power one here. So overall, I definitely do recommend them. For the price, they are very nice. And I think just for the colors alone, they are very cool. You could probably even just get these to carry, for traveling, and another one for at home. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.